Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. That's today's piece. It's on a MDF round. It's actually a table mat. It's 13-inch diameter. All the colours will be listed in full in the description box, as well as I've put it up on the screen, but the actual brand names, etc., will be in the description box. I'll put some music on for you now and be back later.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, I love this. Look at that purple. Wow. I love purple anyway, but oh, this funk is just beautiful. Gorgeous. And look how it looks like I've used lots of different purples because of obviously the blue black and the sea glass obviously has come into play as well, but oh, just love it. Sorry, you can hear my dog. Yeah, just beautiful. And I love the little bit of gold lacing on the white there, and there's actually like a line. If you can quite make it out, there's a line on the outside which just looks really nice. Very happy. Love this. I might make this into a clock. That's what's good about these wood rounds. You can put them on little stands or put D-rings on the back of them and hang them on the wall or make them into clocks. Look at that purple. But if I made it into a clock, I won't put numbers on. I don't like numbers on clocks made from our art. I think it takes away the loveliness of them. And we can all tell the time. So I just think some nice fine gold hands on this would be nice. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy. I hope you're all doing well. Not sure how long the video's got to go, so I'm kind of waffling. But all stay safe, take care. I'll put some stills on at the end as usual. Please like and share and subscribe. I really appreciate if you'd subscribe. And I'll see you all soon. Stay safe. Bye guys.
Find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So